How to clear all watch history on YouTube. Let's get started. Launch your YouTube. You'll land to the home page. Now navigate to the U page. Click on the profile picture icon given at the bottom right corner. Once you're in this page, at the top right corner, you're gonna find the settings icon. Click on that. Different options will appear. Click on the option of manage all history. With that, you'll be directed to this page. Now from here, you can easily clear all watch history of your YouTube channel. Here you're gonna find all of your videos that you have watched. Now how to delete it. If you want to just delete a specific video, you can click on this cross icon. With that, the video will be deleted from the watch history. In the case you want to remove all the videos, what you have to do is click on the option of delete. Now from here you can select the time period. Delete today, delete custom range and delete all time. Select the option that is suitable for you. I'm gonna select delete all time. Now click on delete. That your watch history will be deleted. So this way you can easily delete your watch history. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.